Deleting an issue in Jira removes it permanently from your project, so it should be done carefully. Here's how to delete an issue in Jira. Log into Jira. Use your credentials to access Jira, ensuring you have the necessary permissions to delete issues. Typically, you need to be a project administrator or have specific issue delete permissions. Locate the issue. Navigate to the project where the issue is located. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through the project's issue list to find the specific issue you want to delete. Open the issue. Click on the issue key or the summary to open the detailed view of the issue you want to delete. Initiate deletion. In the issue view, look for the More menu or the three dots button, typically located at the top right corner of the issue screen. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. Confirm deletion. A confirmation dialog will appear, warning you that deleting the issue will remove it permanently. Click Delete to confirm the action. Verify deletion. The issue will be permanently removed from Jira. To ensure the issue has been deleted, you can try searching for the issue key. It should no longer be available.